Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to recover your MetaMask account. Alright, let's begin. To start, open the MetaMask app or extension. For this video, I will be using my computer, but the process is the same on mobile. If you're using mobile, open the MetaMask app. On PC, open the MetaMask extension. When you first open it, you will see a screen asking you to agree to the terms of use. Once you agree, you will have the option to import an existing wallet. To recover your account, you'll need your secret recovery phrase. This phrase consists of a string of words provided to you when you set up your MetaMask wallet. It's crucial that you keep this phrase safe, as it's the only way to recover your account. If you're unsure of your recovery phrase, check your notes or the document where you wrote it down. Once you have your recovery phrase, select the corresponding phrase length, usually 12 words, and type it into the given boxes. After that, click Confirm Secret Recovery Phrase. If everything is correct, you will proceed to the next step, where you can create a new password for your wallet. So that's basically how you can recover your MetaMask account. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.